Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our product title, a new methodology for mining frequent item sets on temporal data. Okay, this is our abstract for the new methodology for mining frequent item sets on data mining. So first of all, the data mining is nothing but the data mining is the non-trivial extractions of implicit, previously unknown and potentially useful information from the data. And finally, here discussing about the finding frequent item sets through the new technologies or techniques used in data mining. So the mining methodology based machine learning algorithms are selecting dataset based data classification techniques performed. So here we are proposing a new algorithm to restrict time intervals, which is called the frequent item sets mining, with a focus is developing on efficient algorithm for this mining problem by extending the well-known a priori algorithm. So the a priori is the one of the most crucial algorithm for finding frequent item sets finding. So the a priori is the best example for the market basket analysis. So the market basket analysis is nothing but just taking a for example in a supermarket, for more items to be available here, but some of these items to be selected on the basket. So this is a market basket analysis algorithm for suiting priori algorithms. So here also analyzing the real-time stream data mining processing based algorithms and the techniques to be used. This paper we propose us to discuss the CAN-tree and the G-tree algorithms and the recommendation algorithms also used. So the CAN-tree and the G-tree algorithms is nothing but here also we are using the frequent item set finding for the real-time stream data mining. So here we finally propose a novel data mining algorithm called the CAN-tree G-tree. The CAN-tree G-tree is algorithm using two types of structures. One is the CAN-tree and around this the G-tree. G-tree means grouping tree. For example, the data is going to be formatting on the group. This is the data flow diagram for the new methodology for finding frequent item sets mining. So here first one is the dataset load. So first of all, here in this section we are discussing the two datasets will be loaded. Two datasets will be loaded. One is the market basket analysis based a priori dataset will be used. The another one is the adult dataset will be used. So the two datasets will be processed. So first of all, the one by one dataset is be loaded into the database. So first one is the market basket analysis based. The a priori algorithm database will be loaded. Dataset will be loaded into the database. So after the dataset loading, the data is going to be pre-processing. The pre-processing is nothing but suppose the dataset is loaded. So after the dataset load, here any null values or unstructured data or unwanted data is to be removed. So after we will get the original data. So original data getting with the data is going to be partition. The partitioning is nothing but the data is going to be clustering. So after the data clustering, the data is going to be classified. So after the classification, here we will finding that some recruiting points as the reciprocity, transitivity, cyclicity. So these are some point based classification with the finally we'll finding the frequent item sets finding in the method 1. So the other method 2 will use the adult dataset. So the adult dataset using the dataset is to be loaded pre-processing. So after the pre-processing with the data is going to be clustering. So after the data clustering, the data is going to be classified. So the classified as you are using machine learning algorithms, but in this paper they are mainly focused on, but in this reference paper they are mainly focused on additionally using the additional one algorithms. The algorithm is named as CAN-tree and the G-tree. The CAN-tree and the G-tree algorithm is the data is going to be classified. So apply the algorithm. So after the algorithm based the data, finally we are finding the frequent item sets to be finded. Okay, and now the demo section is start for the mining frequent item sets finding for the using new methodologies. Okay, so this is the home page for the new methodology for mining frequent item sets on temporal data. So when I click the home, let's go for the next page. So next one is the dataset selection. So choose a dataset, go to NetBeans, candidate frequent dataset, the market.csv. So this is the a priori algorithm using market basket analysis dataset to be loaded. So after the dataset will be loaded into the database. So all datasets are inserted into the database table. So show the data. So this is the database attributes: invoice number, stack code, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, country. So this is the pre-processing. So the pre-processing successful completed. Pre-processing is nothing but suppose any data is going to be null, is to be removed. So click to the move. So next one is the data partitioning. The data partitioning means the data splitting into more files. For example, here we are partitioned into the countries. Countries based the data is going to be partitioned. So click to the Australia. So partition the Australia country based the data is going to be partitioned. So after click to the Germany. So the Germany country base the data is going to be partitioned. Details are stored into the database. So after we will finding the frequent item set finding base the data is going to be clustering based on the descriptions. So here I am choosing the white handling. So cluster. So in our data set which description has came to the white handling hot tea light folder. So going to be classification. The classification means the data is going to be classified for the every stack code and the description. So the particular informations are stored. Going to be next. Going to be next as a move. So that is going to be classified. Okay. Okay. So next we will finding the reciprocity. Reciprocity means finding the feedback and the response value. So this is a pre-processing table has to be finded with the get the value from the feedback. So it has more data sets. Sorry, it has more data. So then only the data is going to be take some times for the finding feedback value. So this is the system response value to be calculated for the given market basket analysis based dataset. So this is the response time. So next we will finding the method one as the a priori based frequent selection. So this is a mining value. This is the mining value. So it takes some times because it has more data set. So this is the accurate information for mining. So this is the supporting measurements values. Supported correlations. This is the co-supported specification for a priori based mining frequent item sets. So this is the just generally steps to perform a priori algorithm. So go for next. So this is the remarked support for the new methodology of using frequent item sets finding. The remarking supports. So this is a remarking count specification for what are those data items to be accessed for the a priori algorithm. So the a priori algorithm. So what are the specification to be required to be analyzed. So just the table is changing. Okay. Next. So this is the mining cyclicity performance measurement. This is the cyclicity measurement performance. So the cyclicity is nothing but just the data is recycling measurements based. Suppose the data has to be unstructured is to be removed, get the original data. So after the data set will be classification based, the data is going to be cyclicity. Cyclicity is the one of the forms of attribute-based processing for mining frequent item sets to the node-based selections for the transitivity, connectivity, cyclicity, the reciprocity. So this is the reverse falling. So this is a reversing bridge. So this is a reversing bridge values measurements to be found. So go for next. Okay, now we will discussing the second method as adult dataset using finding finding the country and GT algorithm based finding the frequent item sets on the data mining. So choose the dataset selection. That means candidate frequent dataset as the adult.txt. So this is the adult dataset. So load the data. So all datasets are inside database table. Show the data. This is the attributes as the age, work class, final, education, marital status, occupation. So these are some general informations. Pre-processing is completed. No value. Show. Next. So the data is going to be partitioned. So state government. So this is the work class is the classification for the state government. Save. Next. So learning algorithms data classification. So this is general healthcare. Sorry, yeah. This is some occupations details based processing. This is the education details. Bachelor's success grade learned. Okay. So in this process we will finding the bachelor's HS grade, doctorate. So click to the bachelor's. So here in the database, what are those using in the bachelor's? The bachelor details are splitted. So the bachelor details are successfully stored on the database. So click to the move. So this is a methodology based streaming data mining. So what are the methodologies using? This is some professional specificity. So this is general occupation for the professional specialty. More business data successful. So machine learning is the salary details of the less than 50 and greater than 50. So it's the less than 50k. So to be splitted. So going to the tree format. So next here in this process I'm choosing the state government for the data classification. So here the data state government details won't be classified to be viewed. So the results are classified. So this is the whole data set. So this is the occupation details and the education, age, sex, levels, relationship, occupation and the race. So these are some general informations based. We will separately finding the frequent items through the country and the GT process. So the country and the GT process is nothing but just splitting on the similarity measurements based on the relationships or calculations through the given data set. So now the demo is finished. Thanks for watching.